This is GoalSeek, and GoalSeek is a great scenario tool you can use in Excel, and we're going to use GoalSeek for our retirement plan. I'm in the Data Analytics Project 4 workbook, and I'm in the Future Value worksheet. So the way GoalSeek works is it changes the output of a formula or function by changing one of the cell references used in that formula or function. So if we take a look at cell B14, this is the Future Value function we just added. And these cell references were used to create the future value output. So what GoalSeek will do is it will change one of the cell references in that future value function to get a desired output. And the desired output, we're going to set this to as $1 million. And we're going to see what would it take to get our retirement account to $1 million if we change the rate of return. So I'm going to go to the Data tab of the ribbon. I'm clicking the What If Analysis button, and I'm going to click GoalSeek. So the cell we have activated, which is where our future value function is, will appear in the set cell input box. That's B14. If you need to change that, you can just delete it and change it to a new cell reference, or you can use the collapse dialog box and just click a cell reference that contains a formula or function on your worksheet. But the key thing is in the set cell input box, this cell must contain the formula or function where a new output is going to be produced. The to value, this is the output you want that formula or function to be set to. And in this case, we're going to set the output of our future value function to 1 million. By changing cell, this box is the cell reference that Excel is going to change in order to change the output of the formula or function. So I'm going to click the collapse dialog box button right there, and I'm going to click cell B8. Since we want to change the rate of return, we're going to define that input box with cell B8. I'm tapping the Enter key on my keyboard. So this is what our GoalSeek dialog box looks like. We're going to change cell B14, which is the future value function, to $1 million by changing this cell reference, B8. So I'm going to click the OK button on the GoalSeek dialog box. The GoalSeek status dialog box is just telling you a result was achieved, so we're going to click OK. And now you can see the future value function is showing an output of $1 million. And it changed the rate of return to 5.41%. And that is how you use GoalSeek.